Hi, this is Steve with Nave Family Lights. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I want to cover a topic in this video that often comes up every year, which is, where do you store all your lights? Well, I'm here in my new workshop, so I thought I'd give you a tour. If you find these videos useful, hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss any of my future content. Now, let's take a look. Starting in this corner of my workshop, you'll see I've got the arches hanging from the ceiling. They're all upside down, just resting on these custom-made shelf brackets with 2 foot long, just wooden pieces that I cut. The same thing is here for this bracket to hold the spiders. And on this corner of the workshop, I have 3 rolling carts. These carts are holding the controllers. You see the controllers up here at the top, plus all the extra spare pieces that I need for the show. The setup bins with all the wiring, floodlights are in there as well, and Megatree parts. You can see one of the Megatree pieces here, which is the hook topper piece. There's one of the stars to a Megatree. Back here in the back wall is the Rosa wreath. And for the intro video, here I have all of the mini trees, which is super convenient. I don't have to clean them at the beginning of each season as I used to when these guys would sit outside. These are custom built shelves using the same kind of bracket and 2 foot long pieces of wood. And there's 2 pieces of 12-inch shelving here running across to hold these trees. All right, and then underneath here I've got my snowflakes and the stars for the church show. Some extra P10 panels back there. Just want to show you these 3 carts with the wheels and how convenient this is to be able to move things around. The access. One set. Another set right here. You can see the controllers up here. 3 of the Anno box builds. The CD1500 build, there's one there, I think 2 more are in one of these bins. And the floodlights are here, extra pixels, and extra wiring. The rest of the wiring are in those bins. Alright, now we're in the garage, and if you saw my video on how to mount props to garage door, I've got the snowflakes and the bats just on magnets stuck onto the back of the door, and they're back here all year round except during the showtime. There are the porch matrices columns, and there's the columns from the church are here as well. Turning around to this corner of the garage, it has a lot of stuff, which I'm still able to park my car right behind all this stuff. So you can see these are the windows. And I think I'll be making a video on how I built and wired these windows and set them up in X-Lights, so stay tuned for that. All of the roof outlines are here suspended by the ceiling shelf rack. I'm just using a very simple method of taking a shirt hanger, looping it around at the top, put this cardboard here just to protect the pieces from getting damaged from the wire. And then they're all just laying across. These are 8 feet long pieces of PVC. And then the roof swags that go along the gutter are right behind it. And those are just hanging also by clothing hangers that I cut into pieces. And it's hooked at the top there, goes over here, and it just goes in about 8 inches or so. Going over here, we've got the just regular Christmas decorations. There's the Ghost Be Gone for Halloween. Another star that's used for the church or my house. And hidden behind the window frames are the 2 P10 panels. They're just stacked one in front of the other. And I have a separate frame set up that these things get stood up on and rolled around and placed in the yard. And as I go up here, then you can see I've got Megatree strips. So all 32 are up here. There's 8, a group of 8, another 8, another 8, and then another 8 back behind there. I almost forgot, the Megatree post, one of the 10-foot pieces is here, and the other 10-foot piece is under the deck, along with some of the PVC pieces for the Megatree, and some of the legs and other pieces are in another shed, along with the candy cane border. I hope you liked that little tour of my workshop in the garage. It's really nice to have everything consolidated into one or two places. It hasn't always been that way, and now that it is, it's a big benefit to myself and the family. Where do you work on and store your lights? I'd love to read about them in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see ya.